Good afternoon, guys.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
You know very well, it's a Monday today and especially for personal speech day. And now I will deliver my speech on education. What is education and how many types of education, and by education which type job and which type work we can do by job education. Okay, now education is very important for us because education is a key of success. Okay, if you do something, and if you do business, and you will have to you have no knowledge and education and behavior, so how you can do? Because firstly you will have to uh, do you will get education, then you will have to do work. And if then you will have to think that what can I do by education. And by education, it is not impossible that by without education you can I can do it, I can do business. How you don't know about education? And if you give something and you don't know about price, so how you can give? And how you know that it is expensive and cheap? And if you go somewhere, and it is a ray, like day and way of light in darkness, like as if you are go darkness, so it is light of ray, like. And you think that it is a big task for me. Okay, if you do something, if you do work hard, so by education you didn't think you can defeat this task, that if I cannot do it, it is a very hard for me, and I cannot do, and I cannot defeat this task. So you can also uh, defeat this task, because it is not very hard. If you make friends, so you will have to do work hard, then you get friends. Okay, it's like you, if you make friend books and like knowledge, so you will have to do work more than more. If you defeat by this, so you cannot get education, and you cannot get friends like a books. And by education, if you it's all education also teach behavior and knowledge. And it teaches how you can live in society, and the society and country. Because if you know that, if you don't know about education, and if you live in society, and you don't know about manner and behavior, if you talk with her and him, so you don't know about how we can speak, and how I can do it, and how so me how can I show my behavior. And by education you also show that what is your label. And you don't know about education, so that person didn't see that what is your label. You can also see yourself, what is my label. And without education you cannot see your successful person. Because education uh, we should study for our goals and dream. And we should if you think that I have no money, I do not eat, so you can also parents also provide education, and brother also, and neighbor, and parents family also you can take. If you are hungry for education and do job, if so you can do it. Because you don't think that time that I am poor and I don't think, so you don't not think, but you will have to do you will have to do that. If I do it, so I can get. And you can also get if you study, and you can complete your dream. What is your dream and what is your goals? And if you are make successful person, so you can also see that your parents also happy. Because as my if I gave money lots of my, also my child is very successful person, so you can not think that how many money, how much money I spend for my life. So you don't think that time, because as you earn money, so you don't think. And if you don't think that it is a education, and I don't think. Okay. And it's provide knowledge also. And no, if you go somewhere, and if you are make thief, so you can also purchase everything, and divide. You also divide and purchase everything, but you cannot purchase and divide this education, because education is a weapon. You know very well what is a weapon. And also by education, and you can also divide house, that it is my house and it is my house, and you can also give free. Okay, and you can also give by money, that I will give money by this. So you also give by, you don't think that should I give and not. And by education also, it's a three types of education. And firstly, formal education, and non-formal education, and informal education. Firstly, what is formal education? It is formal education is related by there is no timetable. There is a timetable in formal education, that if you attend a class, and if you go to college and university, if you go tuition, it is your timetable, that if I take this time, so it is my timetable. And you don't think that informal education, that I can like a TV, it is related by TV, and also radio, and also many things, that if you saw that it is my it is TV, and you don't think that it is a timetable, and there is no timetable, because as you, if you think that if I now I will have to do, and I will have to see that what he want to say. So you can also you can also see that what I do it. And non-formal education, non-formal education, it is a combination, and it is a formal education and informal education, it is a mix, it's a combination. If you think that it is a non-formal, but there are lots of things in formal education, it's a timetable and no timetable, because it's a also time timetable. Okay, and now I will and I tell many things about how we can do by education. And if you will have to do this, you can defeat any pupil by education, because you think that it is a big task, and I don't think so. You will have to do work hard, and you can suggestion with the pupil that how I can be a successful person, and that person didn't think that it should be do, and it's not should be do, but you think that I can give suggestion, I can take suggestion, that how he can tell me. And there is no in fact this people that what I'm saying and what I'm not saying, that firstly you will have to you can improve our skills and knowledge by education. And if you do alone something, so you can do, but if you nirbhar depend, if you defend people and family, that what my family said, that you will have to do, you will have be a police, and you don't think that it is a good and it is a bad, you think that it's a bad, and but my family said I do, but you will have to not do, because if you think, if you believe if yourself, so you can do everything by education. And that if you, okay guys, thank you.